I'm Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Ekena Millwork's line of metal brackets. Now, we all know what brackets are, but these brackets could be used for both decorative and structural purposes. The line consists of a lot of different styles, from traditional organic shapes to more contemporary modern styles with clean, sharp lines. Every style comes in a lot of different sizes, starting at 6 inches by 6 inches, all the way up to 24 inches by 24 inches. This line comes in a lot of different finishes, from stainless steel like this, or zinc-plated steel in case you wanted to paint it yourself. We even have powder-coated black, and then all of our options come in hand-painted finishes as well. We have a nice oil-rubbed antique type of finish, and then we've got multiple color hammer finishes like these ones. Now, when you're installing these, you want to make sure that you anchor these into a stud. That way you get a nice, strong installation. Now, when people are choosing their screws or their bolts, one of the most common questions we get is how big is this hole? And so just so you know, it's a 1/4 inch in diameter, and that should help you choose your fastening method. If metal is the perfect material for you, we make brackets in a lot of different materials. We do them in composites like urethane and PVC. We do them in woods like alder and cherry and cedar. But for more interesting and innovative product lines like this one, check out our website or give us a call.